We now consider a problem on vectors from vector algebra. This question has appeared in JEE main exam, which was held on 20th July 2021 in the morning shift. And the problem is on vectors, and it is from the section vector algebra. The problem is, let A bar is a vector given by 2i plus j minus 2k and B bar is equal to I plus j. If C bar is a vector such that A bar dot C bar is equal to modulus of C bar and modulus of C bar minus A bar is equal to 2 root 2 and the angle between A bar cross B bar and C bar is pi by 6, then the value of mod of in brackets A bar cross B bar cross C bar is, the four options are given to you. Solution. We have the vector A, vector B and vector A bar dot C bar is equal to modulus of C bar and the angle between A bar cross B bar and C bar is pi by 6. Given modulus of C bar minus A bar is equal to 2 root 2. To find modulus of in brackets A bar cross B bar cross C bar. Solution. We have the vector A, vector B and modulus of the vector A is equal to under the square root of 2 square plus 1 square minus 2 whole square, that is plus 2 square, that is 9, under the square root of 9 is equal to 3. Given A bar dot C bar is equal to modulus of C bar. Given modulus of C bar minus A bar is equal to 2 root 2. Square on both sides. Modulus of C bar minus A bar square is equal to 2 root 2 whole square is equal to 8. And whenever a vector x is taken, mod the vector x square is equal to x dot x. That's the formula. Therefore, this will imply C bar minus A bar dot C bar minus A bar is equal to 8. Multiply C bar dot C bar mod C bar square minus A bar dot C bar is A bar dot C bar and C bar dot A bar is C bar dot A bar and A bar dot C bar is same as C bar dot A bar because the dot product is commutative, and minus into minus plus A bar dot A bar is mod A square, and that will be mod C bar square minus 2 times A bar dot C bar plus mod A bar square is equal to 8. And A bar dot C bar is given to be mod C bar. Substitute mod C bar square minus 2 C bar plus mod A square is 9. It is here 9. And simplify, we get a quadratic in mod C bar. And this is a perfect square. Mod of this is equal to mod of C bar minus 1 whole square. This will imply mod C bar is equal to 1. We continue in the next slide. And we have the vector A, vector B. We compute A bar cross B bar. The determinant first row I, J, K And the second row is the components of A, that is 2, 1, minus 2. Third row, the components of B, that is 1, 1, 0. And expand this determinant by the first row, that will be equal to I bar into 0 minus of minus 2 plus 2 minus j into 2 times 0 minus of minus 2, that is plus 2, and k bar into 2 into 1 minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, that is 2i minus 2j plus k. So the modulus of a bar cross b bar will be under the square root of 2 square minus 2 square plus 1 square, that is equal to 9. Under the square root of 9 is equal to 3. Given the angle between a bar cross b bar and c bar is pi by 6. Now take the cross product of these two. So that will be now a bar cross b bar in brackets cross c bar. The formula is modulus of the first vector into modulus of the second vector into the sine of the angle between these two vectors, that is pi by 6 into n bar, where n bar is a unit vector perpendicular to both a bar cross b bar and c bar. And modulus of a bar cross b bar is 3. Modulus of c bar, we have seen it as 1. Sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2. And we take the modulus now, where n bar is a unit vector perpendicular to a bar cross b bar and c bar. Take the modulus. Take the modulus on both sides. Modulus of this is equal to modulus of 3 by 2 into n bar, and modulus of n bar is 1 because it's a unit vector. Therefore, it is 3 by 2. So the answer, that is, the answer is to find mod of a bar cross b bar in brackets cross c bar. We have to find the answer is 3 by 2. The options are, the four options are here. Your answer 3 by 2 is against the option 3. Our answer is option 3. Thus, we have come to the end of the discussion of the solution of the problem from vector calculus. I hope that you have understood and go on working out some more problems from a standard textbook. And I wish you all the best. Thank you.